If you're looking for a compact, reliable, and powerful little workhorse, then you're going to want to stick around as we dive into the 2025 Kubota Aste A-13. Whether you're managing a small farm, tending to a large garden, or just need something tough and maneuverable around your property, this mini tractor has some serious charm and a lot of capability packed into a compact frame. Let's start with the basics. The Aste A-13 is part of Kubota's respected Aste series, which is known for combining durability with ease of use. It's a 4WD diesel-powered subcompact tractor that delivers around 13 horsepower, which may not sound like a lot on paper, but it's more than enough for the kind of jobs this tractor is designed for. The diesel engine is a 3-cylinder liquid-cooled powerhouse. It's designed to run efficiently with low fuel consumption while giving you steady performance across different terrains. One of the standout features of the A-13 is its ultra-compact design. This is the kind of tractor you can easily maneuver in tight spaces, whether you're navigating between garden beds, around trees, or inside barns. Its size is perfect for hobby farmers, orchard work, or anyone who just doesn't have space for a full-sized machine. But don't let the small size fool you, this thing is built tough. Kubota is known for their rugged construction, and the A-13 doesn't disappoint. The body is solid, the welds are clean, and the finish is built to withstand years of sun, rain, and heavy use. It's not just for looks, everything here is functional and built for longevity. The transmission is a manual gear type with 6 forward speeds and 2 reverse, giving you the flexibility to match your speed to the job. Whether you're pulling a small plow, running a tiller, or using a trailer, you've got plenty of control over how much power you put to the ground. And thanks to its selectable 4WD system, you can switch between 2WD and 4WD depending on terrain conditions. That means better fuel efficiency when you're on flat ground, and more grip and torque when you're working on hills or mud. Hydraulics on the A-13 are surprisingly capable for its size. The rear 3-point hitch can handle a good variety of implements, from rotary tillers to small mowers and cultivators. Whether you're planting, maintaining, or harvesting, it gives you the versatility you need to get things done without swapping between machines. The PTO is rear-mounted and runs at standard speeds, compatible with a wide range of attachments. Operator comfort is another area where Kubota really pays attention. The seating position is ergonomic, controls are within easy reach, and visibility is excellent from the driver's seat. There's enough room for comfort without wasting space, and the controls are simple enough for beginners to use without a steep learning curve. Even first-time tractor owners will find it easy to operate. Another big plus is the ease of maintenance. The hood lifts easily, giving you access to the engine for basic checks and servicing. Kubota engines are known for their reliability, and if you follow the regular maintenance schedule, oil changes, air filters, coolant checks, this machine will give you many years of dependable service stock. In 2025, Kubota has made a few tweaks to improve performance and reduce noise and vibration. It runs quieter than older models and smoother too, which is a big win for those long working days when operator fatigue can set in. The paint and decals have also been refreshed a bit for a cleaner, more modern look. Overall, the 2025 Kubota Aste A-13 is a fantastic compact tractor that punches way above its weight. It's reliable, efficient, and versatile. If you've got land to manage but don't want to go overboard with a big machine, this is definitely a model worth considering. Simple, strong, and built to last, this is the kind of gear that just makes life easier on the farm. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more equipment reviews and farming tips.